We are producing auto-injectors a patient can use to inject a drug, a pharmaceutical to himself. In general, at SHL, we are seeing a huge growth. This is a good problem, but this means that we also need to ramp up our manufacturing. And in the old way, it was very clear that the paper-driven way is not the way for the future. We need to think about to make it more efficient and more digitalized. The connected twin between engineering and manufacturing, that's a very important part. So EasyPlan and Teamcenter are a crucial part of this journey. We have now the possibility to have all of the data, work instructions, work plans, routing, BOM and Bob on one global system and transfer that to SAP and MES. So the biggest benefit for us is to have this centrally implemented, that there is the knowledge and knowledge transfer for these products. So the plant simulation technometrics is helping us to see, okay, how do we run our manufacturing? How do we streamline the workflow from incoming goods through leaving the finished good? To have that complete overview, to run different options, to see that and simulate that before we see, let's say, issues or downsides in real manufacturing, this helping us to flatten out these wrinkles in the first place. Our partnership with Avasis is a very strong one. This is really a partnership on eye level. They give us the input what we need from a medical device perspective. So we can partner, we can discuss these ideas, we can look for the best solutions. This is helping a lot in streamlining and getting our ideas to life. What I'm really looking forward is that we can use this digitalization to get to the core of us. So for me, the closed-loop manufacturing with the magical triangle, this is the core part. So that we have a connection between PLM, MES and SAP, that we are using the strength of all of these systems. We are talking about people, process, system and data. Only if these four dimensions are coming together, then we will be able to have a successful implementation.